Hi. Welcome to Class 2. Storytelling and Writing for Engagement. Storytelling is one of the most powerful tools in content creation. Whether you're writing for a brand, personal brand, or business, crafting compelling stories can significantly increase audience engagement, build trust, and drive conversions. This class will cover 1. Understanding brand storytelling and emotional triggers. 2. How to write compelling social media captions and hooks. 3. Using content structures to keep readers engaged. 4. Common mistakes in content writing and how to avoid them. 5. Hands-on exercise, write an engaging LinkedIn post. Understanding brand storytelling and emotional triggers. What is brand storytelling? Brand storytelling is the art of using narratives, emotions, and experiences to create a connection between a brand and its audience. Instead of just selling a product or service, storytelling focuses on the brand's mission, values, and journey, customer experiences and testimonials, the emotional impact of the brand's offerings. Example, instead of saying, "We sell running shoes," Nike tells stories of athletes overcoming challenges, pushing limits, and achieving greatness. B. The role of emotional triggers in storytelling. Emotions influence decision-making, so compelling stories often trigger excitement and inspiration, e.g., motivational success stories. Empathy and connection, e.g., sharing struggles before success. Fear of missing out, FOMO, e.g., only 10 spots left. Act now. Nostalgia, e.g., referencing past memories to create relatability. Example, a fitness coach could write, "I used to struggle with weight loss until I discovered this simple trick." This hooks the reader emotionally and keeps them engaged. Pro tip, the best stories have a hero, a challenge, and a transformation, hero's journey. How to write compelling social media captions and hooks. Social media is fast-paced, and attention spans are short. Your captions must grab attention instantly and encourage engagement. A. The power of the first sentence, hook. The first sentence determines whether a reader keeps reading. Effective hooks include 1. A question hook engages curiosity. Ever wondered why some brands go viral while others are ignored? 2. A bold statement shocks or surprises. Most content creators fail, and here's why. 3. A relatable story builds connection. I remember the first time I posted online. No likes. No comments. Nothing. 4. A statistic or fact adds credibility. 80% of people only read headlines, not the full post. B. Structuring engaging captions. Great captions follow a structure. 1. Hook grabs attention. 2. Value shares insights, lessons, or solutions. 3. Call to action, CTA, encourages engagement, e.g., comment below. Example of a compelling Instagram caption. Content writing isn't about fancy words. It's about impact. Here's how I turned a simple LinkedIn post into a $500 project. Swipe to learn more. Pro tip, use line breaks, emojis, and short sentences to improve readability. Using content structures to keep readers engaged. Even a great story fails if it isn't structured properly. Here are key frameworks. A. The PAS framework, problem agitate solution. 1. Problem identify the issue. Struggling to grow on LinkedIn? 2. Agitate explain why it's painful. You post regularly, but nobody engages with your content. 3. Solution provide actionable advice. Try storytelling in your posts. Here's how. B. The hero's journey framework. Beginning, introduce the hero and their struggle. Middle, show their journey and challenges. End, share the transformation. Example, a freelancer could post. I was stuck in a 9-to-5 job I hated. I took a risk, learned content marketing, and landed my first $1,000 client. Here's what I did. Pro tip: break content into small, digestible sections for easier reading. Common mistakes in content writing and how to avoid them. Avoid these mistakes to improve your content instantly. 1. Writing without a hook. Fix: start with a question, bold statement, or story to grab attention. 2. Long paragraphs with no breaks. Fix: use short paragraphs and bullet points to improve readability. 3. No call to action, CTA. Fix: always tell the audience what to do next, comment, share, or follow. 4. Writing like an academic essay. Fix: keep your tone conversational, simple, and engaging. Pro tip: read your content out loud before posting. If it sounds unnatural, rewrite it. Hands-on exercise: write an engaging LinkedIn post. Task: write a LinkedIn post using storytelling and engagement techniques. Choose a personal or brand-related experience. Use a strong hook, e.g., "I almost quit content writing last year." Follow the PS or hero's journey framework. End with a CTA, e.g., "Have you ever faced this challenge?" Comment below. Goal: learn how to create content that is relatable, engaging, and actionable. Summary: storytelling helps build connections and drive engagement. Emotional triggers like curiosity and relatability boost responses. Hooks are the key to keeping readers engaged. The right content structure makes a story memorable. Avoid common writing mistakes to improve content quality. By mastering storytelling, you can create content that truly connects with your audience and stands out. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.